preps. So today we are looking at a topic called integration by substitution. And we are going to use this problem to learn integration by substitution. So we have to find the integral of 2x into bracket x squared plus 1 exponent 4 dx. Okay. Good. So this is by substitution. So we are going to use by substitution method. So first of all, we need to let the terms x squared plus 1, which is in the bracket, to look like 2x. Okay, we are doing this in order to get a term that can cancel the 2x out. Okay, that's why we are saying substitution. So we are going to represent a variable by this so that we will differentiate that variable in order to get a term like 2x to come and cancel this. So we say let u is equal to x squared plus 1. Okay, so this x squared plus 1 is what is in the brackets. Now we have to differentiate this u term. Okay, so we find the derivative of u is equal to x squared plus 1. So we say that du dx is equal to, so when you differentiate x squared, we get 2x. The plus 1, we know that when you differentiate a constant, is 0. Okay. From here, we need to make dx a subject. Okay. So we multiply both sides by dx. We are going to get du, which is equal to 2x dx. Now we can divide both sides by 2x. So we get dx is equal to du on 2x. Okay, so now we have gotten the x to be du over 2x. And now our x squared plus 1 is now u. So let us substitute these terms or the integration. So it's going to be integral of 2x into bracket. Now our x squared plus 1 is u. Don't forget. So u into bracket exponent 4. And our dx is now du on 2x. So du on 2x. You see? So we can also rearrange this and get integral of 2x. This is u, so you say u power 4 du all over 2x. You see? So now this 2x can cancel out the 2x here. So it cancels out. Now our term becomes integral of u to the power 4 du. Now it is easy for us to integrate. Okay, so to integrate this, we are going to get u. We know that integration is by increasing the power plus 1, then we divide the whole term plus the power. Like this, know that we have to bring the arbitrary constant, so plus c. Let me continue from here. So we are going to get, now we say that in our previous solution, we said that u is equal to x squared plus 1. So we can now substitute back our x squared plus 1, because when you see u, you see x squared plus 1. So you get, let's simplify the power first. So it's u power 5 on 5 plus c. So it's going to be u is x squared plus 1. So all to the power 5 plus c. So this one is over 5 like this. Okay, so this is our final answer for the question. Now try this and make sure you try and you leave your answer in the comment section. You have to find integral of 2x plus 3 or exponent 4 dx. Good. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thank you.